So, what does it take to create a cool DVD menu featuring part of the movie in a way you've never seen before? I'll give you a quick idea in this high-level overview of what it takes to reconstruct a familiar scene from a movie and create a DVD menu from that. Here's a quick playback of what I'll be discussing. Obviously, the scene as you see it here doesn't exist, so we'll have to reconstruct it from a scene found in the movie. Here is the sequence from the movie Back to the Future that I'll be using. For this demonstration, I've chosen the short clip of the VW van chasing the DeLorean in the mall parking lot. To create the DVD menu, I'll first need to create what is called a digital matte painting. This is essentially a large image of the entire camera pan, without the vehicles. While I'm not going to be using traditional pigments and brushes, I will be using some sophisticated software to allow me to paint with pixels. The first thing I'll need to do is motion track the shot so that I can stabilize the footage. By negating the position track and using it to drive the anchor point of the video clip over an enlarged black canvas, I can create a matted window showing the movement of the camera across space. Once I have this movement stabilized, I can then reconstruct the background panoramic plate from the video footage moving across the canvas. This will give me the core building block I'll need in order to reconstruct the scene and render a clean plate. But before I can do that, I have to resolve one tiny issue, and that is the vehicles. In the video clip, the vehicles are seen in every frame of the film. Since I've already tracked the camera move and resolved the stabilized background, I can work on masking out the vehicles one frame at a time, deleting the vehicles, their shadows, headlight reflections in the wet pavement, and other small details, and filling in the holes left behind with other frames in the video where the background is not covered up by a vehicle. This, of course, is easier said than done, but I'll leave it at that for now. Once I've isolated a vehicle along with its reflections and shadows and reconstructed the background imagery, I can then work to delete the vehicle from the video clip. In this segment, I've deleted the DeLorean. And in this segment, I've deleted the VW bus. Combine the two workflows so both vehicles are deleted, and you have a clean video plate. We'll use this plate to create our background image that will show the entire panorama all in one shot. As I've already completed motion tracking on the shot, as shown previously, I can now apply that same motion tracking data to the clean plate shot, creating a similar sequence of images that pan across the canvas to create my final panoramic clean plate digital matte painting. Once the digital matte painting is completed, it's time to extract each vehicle, stabilize it, and then motion track it across the new digital matte painting. Not only do I have to extract and motion track each vehicle, but I have to do the same for the reflections, shadows, and other small details associated with each vehicle. Once the vehicles are in place, we need to add some nighttime sky, but not too much. We now need to fix minor problems with the shot, like adding the top of a lamp post that never appeared in the film. Add some menu titles, and you're all set. While it's not an easy task, hopefully this simplified explanation will give you a better understanding of what it takes for something as seemingly simple as a DVD menu screen on that big Hollywood hit you've purchased to be created.